set out to combine the simplicity of form with modern-day technology to create a new riding experience. A vehicle that embodies the spirit of craftsmanship, advanced manufacturing, and clean technology. In order to distill the form to only the essentials, we were challenged to redesign virtually every component. The integration of artificial intelligence and computer vision enables us to create a machine that's aware of its surroundings and have the ability to warn the rider of any potential danger. With 3D printing and biomaterials, we were able to minimize waste and sustainably produce custom-designed parts, taking a step closer towards green mobility. The spirit of motorcycle riding represents freedom and is one of the most powerful experiences we can engage in. Our vision is to keep that alive.